In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix expire Cash App card. The process is very easy and quick to follow, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So to fix your expire card, what you need to do is open up your Cash App card and then you need to click on this card option from the bottom of your screen, this second option. After that, this will open up the screen where you can see all of your card. So what you need to do is just scroll down and then you will see this option get card support. So just click on it and then you need to click on this report card issue and you can choose any of these regions from here: card missing, card stolen, or card damage. So just click any of this. I'm going to click on this first option and then you can simply reorder the new card if your card has been expired. So just click on this reorder existing and then you need to enter your mailing address and click on this next button, and then you can also select your delivery speed. So if you want to receive your card faster, you can choose this second option. This will take $15 as a delivery fee, but if you can wait, you can choose first option, which is free, and then click on this next button. And once you do that, your card will be delivered in your chosen time and then you can use your new card. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.